we are broadcasting live from Mayapur TV, the Navadip Mandal Parikrama. This year is the 30th anniversary of Navadip Mandal Parikrama. We have started from Sri Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir this morning, and we have reached the breakfast place. In between, we stopped at Suvarna Vihar. Suvarna Vihar is the place where it was King Suvarna Sena's palace was there, and Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur discovered this place and made the Gaudiya Math there, and we heard beautiful pastimes there, more dramas, and we'll also have Pancharatna Prabhu for interview. But right now we have Bhakti Purushottam Maharaj with us, who will tell us about Parikrama.
Hare Krishna. Today is our first day of Navadip Mandal Parikrama 2020, and we have 7 groups of devotees. We have English group, Russian group, Tamil group, and also Hindi group, and 3 groups devotees of Bengali speaking devotees. And today English group we just completed visiting Suvarna Vihar. Now this is Panchanantala, and devotees are enjoying prasadam here. We started this parikrama more than 25 years before with 250 devotees, and this year we have 12,000 devotees. But our international group devotees, the number of participants, international participants has reduced. Of course, this year because of coronavirus, there is a little bit less attendance of international devotees. But we request and appeal the devotees around the world. We are trying our best to facilitate this group as much as possible, so that devotees around the world can come and comfortably they will complete this Navadip Mandal Parikrama. This Parikrama is very, very important. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada has mentioned that you can serve Mayapur in 3 different ways. One way is by doing Namahatta preaching. Anywhere in the world you do Namahatta preaching, by that you are serving Mayapur. The second is by printing and distributing books. Anywhere you print and distribute books, by that also you are serving Mayapur. Third thing, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada said, that by developing Navadip Mandal Parikrama. So this is what ISKCON is doing now. We are developing, we have created Navadip Mandal Development Trust. In each island, we are buying a big piece of land, so where our devotees can comfortably go and stay. This year we have 7 days Parikrama and 7 groups. Means every day 7 groups, they are moving. That means all the islands every day we are having this kirtan. So we appeal and request devotees from around the world. Next year we want to make very big parikrama. Please communicate with us. We want to participate in this parikrama. And these 7 days, the full of sense gratification here. We should travel with thousands of devotees, sleep together, eat together, work together, do kirtan. It is not so easy things. So please take advantage of this facility that Srila Prabhupada has created for all of us, so that we can feel like a family members. We can stay with all senior leaders, and everybody get very close association, and so many 6 hours every day you will get opportunity to listen Gaur Katha from different very experienced devotees. So please take advantage of this. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Lot of thanks to Bhakti Purushottam Swami Maharaj for enlightening us about how important Sri Navadip Mandal Parikrama is, and he has also kindly agreed to tell us about each island and its importance every day. So now devotees are enjoying prasadam, as you can see. I think soon after prasadam we can have Pancharatna Prabhu for interview. We are here at Pancharantala. Devotees are just having breakfast, finishing breakfast, and will be walking from here to Nishingapalli. We will be interviewing several devotees from different nations during this parikrama. Right now we have with us Pancharatna Prabhu. Pancharatna Prabhu has been joining Navadip Mandal Parikrama since ages, and the best thing he does in the Parikrama is that he enthuses all the devotees, assembled devotees, by doing wonderful dramas, skits, and he engages all the devotees who are present in the Parikrama in different various places that they visit. They make a skit on the pastimes. That way when you watch a skit or a play, you remember the pastime much more than just hearing it. So that's why Pancharatna Prabhu has been a favorite for all the Parikrama devotees. We'll be having Pancharatna Prabhu. Pancharatna, are you there? So we have with us Pancharatna Prabhu. Prabhu, please just enthuse us with your unlimited enthusiasm, which you always
enthuse you.
out.
Enthuse. Go! I can only enthuse to the extent that I get some prayers that my voice improves, because my service is to try to present some dramatic enactments of the pastimes of Gauranga and his associates in these various places, and to try to bring out the feeling of those devotees. But in any case, we're here receiving the mercy of this land, the mercy of all of these assembled devotees, the mercy of the holy name, the mercy of Sri Krishna Prasadam, and what more can you ask for? Perhaps, more energy, but we're doing okay. I think what I'm seeing is the weather has also been very kind to us. So we're proceeding, and with every step, we're making giant steps towards our spiritual destination, to return to be with Sri Gauranga in the pastimes of Shri Radha and Krishna. So I'm sorry that you're not here physically, but I'm glad that you can experience remotely the wonderful treasure of this parikrama. Hare Krishna.
And please pray for them that they can join.
Yes, that you can also join. In spirit and then in body. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Pancharatna, so much. We'll have more of you later, other days. Haribo. Thank you, viewers. We'll probably proceed now for Nrishingapalli, but we'll have more interviews with international devotees. Hare Krishna.